Wishing a wonderful day to all of you. Welcome to online class of SST. Yesterday we were reading chapter 9. The topic was Republic Day. I told you students, Republic Day of India is celebrated on January 26 because on this day the Constitution of India, which was written by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, came into force. The Indian National Congress and many other parties used to celebrate January 26 as a symbol of independence even before India became an independent nation. Now today our topic is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is a national holiday in India celebrated on 2nd October. This day is celebrated in the honor of the birthday of the father of the nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, commonly known as Mahatma Gandhi or Bapuji. Internationally, this day is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence as Gandhi Ji. Gandhi Ji was preacher of non-violence. He is symbol of peace and truth. Gandhi Ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, small town in Gujarat. He studied law in UK and practiced law in South Africa. In his autobiography, My Experiment with Truth, Gandhi Ji described his childhood and teenage years. His marriage with Kasturba at the age of 13. He has set an example of simple living and high thinking. He was against the addiction like smoking, drinking. Gandhi Ji was a pioneer of truth and non-violence. He started the Satyagraha movement for the Indian freedom struggle. He played a very significant role in achieving independence for India from British rule. He proved to the world that freedom can be achieved through the path of total non-violence. All the organizations throughout the country remain closed on this day. A special event organized at Rajghat. People do prayers, pay homage, and sing Gandhiji's favorite song Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram. Mohandas Gandhi Ji was leader of India's independence movement when India was a colony of Great Britain. Gandhiji used non-violent method to protest against British rule. His efforts earned him the title Mahatma. Mahatma means great soul. My dear kids, today your homework is write a short paragraph on Mahatma Gandhi. My dear kids, it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.